Hi, I am Yorick. I would like to present the TEC-11 to you. The TEC-11 timer-controlled condensate drain is a combination of a solenoid valve and an electronic timer designed to automatically remove condensate from compressed air filters. The TEC-11 is uniquely designed to remove condensate from filters up to any size, type or manufacturer. The direct-acting valve, combined with its sophisticated timer module, ensure many years of trouble-free draining of condensate, providing minimum service work is carried out. Let's see how it works. As the timer releases the electrical current to the coil, the magnetic forces lift the plunger up. Condensate flows through the 2 mm orifice. The TEC-11 offers true installation simplicity, and due to its inline design it is perfectly suitable for draining condensate from filters. Main features are: mountable in any position, does not airlock during operation, valve connection size is 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch, pressure range is 0 to 16 bar, optionally available up to 21 bar. Voltage options range from 12 to 380 VAC or DC. The valve material is brass, stainless steel options are also available. Thank you for your attention. I'm looking forward to your next order.